Hello, welcome to my Facebook channel. In this tutorial, we are still going to continue with our exponential equation. This very exponential equation, we discover that the power of the unknown, which is x, is 3, and therefore we are expected to have three roots or three answers to this particular exponential equation. So let's watch out how we can get the value of x that can satisfy this particular equation. So we have x raised to power 3 all over 2x is equals to 8. From here, we can cross multiply 8 over 1. So x raised to power 3 times 1 will be x raised to power 3 is equals to 2x times 8 is equals to 60x. From here, we can collect the like terms. We have our x raised to power 3. When 60x crosses to this side, we change to negative 60x equals to 0. From here, we'll factorize x out because x is common to both terms. We have x into, when x divide x raised to power 3, we have x raised to power 2, minus when x divides 60x, we have 60 equals to 0. From here, we discover that we have two factors. So whenever we have two factors in quadratic equation, one of the factor will be equals to 0, while the other will be equals to 0. Therefore, we can say x is equals to 0, or x raised to power 2 minus 60 is equals to 0. From here, the x cannot be equals to 0 because when x is equals to 0, this particular equation will be undefined. Therefore, we bring out our x raised to power 2 minus 60 is equals to 0. We discover that the power of x here is now 2. Therefore, we can also have the power of a number that is raised to power 2 that will give us what? 60, of course, which is 4. Therefore, we can now say our s raised to power 2 minus 4 raised to power 2 is equals to 0. Because 4 raised to power 2 is 16. So we move this one to the top. We now have our x squared minus 4 raised to power 2 is equals to 0. From here, we now discover that these two now have the same power. From there, we can factor the powers out. We have x minus 4 into 2 is equals to 0. And this very term is what we call difference of what? Two squares. So therefore, we can now say that our x minus 4 into x plus 4 is equals to 0. And also, since we have two factors that are equals to 0, it also means that each of the factor is also equals to 0. We have x minus 4 is equals to 0, or x plus 4 is equals to 0. Then we can now say that our s is equals to x minus 4 is equals to 0, or x plus 4 is equals to 0. Then we now say x. When this minus 4 crosses to this side, it will be plus 4. Or our s is equals to, when this plus 4 crosses to this side, it will be minus 4. It therefore means the value of x that will satisfy this particular question is 4 or minus 4. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you.